Is your Jeep Compass alarm randomly activating? You're not alone. Many owners have reported this issue, often stemming from three main culprits: the Prox Antenna, door switches, and the RFHUB. The three main culprits are Prox Antenna, door switches, and RFHUB. The Prox Antenna is responsible for key fob authentication. It can trigger false alarms if it fails to recognize your key or experiences interference. Door switches detect whether your doors are open or closed. They might malfunction due to corrosion or misalignment, sending incorrect signals to the alarm system. Finally, the RF hub is the central module managing your key fobs and locks. It can experience software glitches or forget the programmed keys, leading to false alarms. Let's look at some DIY troubleshooting steps for these common problems. First, check the door switches. Visually inspect all door switches for corrosion, damage, or loose wiring. Clean corroded contacts with electrical contact cleaner. Next, consider a Prox antenna check. Clean the key fob and door handle areas around the Prox antenna to remove potential interference. Finally, if the above doesn't work, attempt an RF hub reset. The dealerships typically use a scan tool like the FCA Star Mobile app to reset or reprogram the RF hub, clearing any error codes. If you're comfortable, there are OBD2 apps and tools available that might allow you to perform a reset yourself or find a trusted mechanic to do so. Keep in mind that software updates for 2024 plus models are also available over the air, and it's best to keep those up to date to reduce the chance of errors.